In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can turn on sensitive content on Instagram. Enabling sensitive content on Instagram allows users to have more control over the content they see, fostering a diverse and inclusive online community. It also allows users to engage with content that may be deemed sensitive, but is still relevant to their interests or education. To do this, simply head into your Instagram. On your profile page, tap on these 3 lines and head into your settings and activity. On this page, scroll down into the section of what you see. Select the 3rd option of suggested content. You will then head into the option of sensitive content. In this section of choosing how much sensitive content to see, tap on much. Then click on confirm. Put in mind when this option is enabled, you might see content about topics such as sexually suggestive or some violence. You can undo this feature at any time. That's how easy it is to enable sensitive content on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.